So here we are for Work Diaries part whatever we're on. I think it's part 3. And this is a different job. And we're still doing the other one. Well, I say we, it's just me. I don't have anybody else working for me. So this is one that I've been on before. And we're just going to the other room. So basically we're doing like a basement conversion to turn this into some sort of working space, gym type thing. It's a bit of a squeeze because we've got materials and everything lying around. So I'll flip the camera. So here we go. This was completed before Christmas. It's like I say, it's in a basement. There's a lot of stuff here, obviously. Storage, which was in this other room here. So it was in this room originally, and I've got that room complete. Well, I say I completed, there's still some cupboard doors to go in. We're trying to find out what regulations are required because there's an electrical consumer unit behind there. Just trying to find out whether it's supposed to be metal or not. I don't think it needs to be metal, but it's one of those things. So all this was done before Christmas, so I moved all this gear and stuff into here. So I did a few videos on me doing this and painting it, obviously, putting skating boards in and etc, etc. So this room here is basically being studded out at the moment. There's a lot of junk in here still. Washing machine, for instance, and it's a bit smaller is this room, so it's a bit more difficult to work around everything. Just been sorting out the stud work, like I said, for the walls. All this has been tanked. It's going to get another coat maybe tomorrow. Putting obviously insulation behind everything and making sure everything's all sealed and everything before it gets plastered and everything. We have fire rated plasterboard on the ceiling. There'll be some downlighters going in here like in the other room over there. I don't know whether we're keeping this door or not yet. We'll have to see. But yeah, this is part of what I'm doing. So I'm going back to the other job now, and I've got the dining room to sort out there. So I'll be plugging holes up in the ceiling on Friday. It's Monday today, so we'll go over to the other job now and get cracking with that one as well. Say cracking, we're nearly at completion with that one. So I'll get over there now and get that one sorted out. So see you in a bit. So here we are in what was called the weed grow house. Now if you was following my other bits and pieces on my work diaries, you will know this is the weed grow house, and I've come back to this one now just to finish a few things off. I've gone as far as I can with this one now. I'll just take you upstairs to show you what we've done upstairs. Got the handrail fitted up the staircase, and I've been pulling like alarm cables out forever. It's like spaghetti. Just had a bit of touching up to do here in the upstairs bedrooms, but skating boards are on at this side now. Just been touching that up. Needs a good clean. Not my problem, that. A bit of touching up in the corner there, just expand the angle a little bit. All the light fittings are back up, doors are on, new door handles, new catchers because for some reason they've been removed. Smoke alarm, ceiling rose up, same in this room. All the cupboards and everything painted. They're still full of tenant stuff. I don't know what the tenant is intended to do. From what I understand, the tenant is supposedly in hospital, having a mental breakdown at the moment, but that's not really my problem, is it? So this room, again, fairly simple. Most of it's been done, and like I said, the staircase and the bathroom been done. Now I've got a toilet seat. You push bit waste in there because that was a bit manky. got the bathroom to tidy up. I will start cleaning that in a minute. Could probably do with a new shower because this one doesn't work. Don't know what's going on there. That's obviously broke. That side works, but that's the temperature side. It's nothing to do with the floor. So the bathroom is just all white. Nothing changed in there. Like I said, the staircase is more or less done now. Banister is up. Got the rest of the staircase down here, down to here done. All new lining paper, stripped it all, lining paper, painted the doors. Now the handles were still on these doors, so I've left them on. I'm not spending my money on this house. If you want some changing, I'll have to get some new ones. Smoke alarm there, ceiling rods back up. Took the light fitting down in this room and put the ceiling rods up. Again, magnolia and white everywhere. Radiator cover almost back on. So yeah, just using this as a bit of storage at the moment, because when the tenant came, they moved all the sofas, TVs out, everything, and I started down here then. This is what would be called the dining room, which is quite a bit bigger than the lounge at the front. Still got the plasterboard on here. If you've seen the other videos, you'll know that kitchen's a tip. We'll go in there in a minute. But this room's changed a lot. All the holes have been filled in here. Got rid of that. Lining paper all the way around. And just left all this paneling stuff on. Just give it a coat of paint. Freshens it up a bit. This is by no means a top-end professional job. What I mean by that is this is just going to be sold, this house, or re-rented out. So as long as it's clean and tidy, this is a traditional builder's look, and I don't think you can go any further with it, because it really would need an extensive amount of money spending on it to get the walls straight. When this was bought 10 years ago, it was rewired, had central heating put in and everything. It had a new kitchen, but I do think it will need a new kitchen now. So this house could do completely gutting, really. I mean, it's just a mismatch of everything. Just flip the camera around again. If you look at the skirting boards, there used to be some sort of fireplace here, so the skirting board doesn't match there. There's bits of quadrant missing, but I'm not sure if he's keeping, I don't think he'll be keeping the laminate down. It really wants ripping up. The doors, could probably do with a new door here. The hinges have been put in different places, but I'd give it a coat of paint anyway. Might as well. The door frame's been filled in quite roughly with God knows what in here. Like I said, it's quite badly redecorated. Now this is bad decorating. This isn't even builder's look decorating. But they must have had this mad idea to have, you might probably can't see this, but this is like a glittery effect. So they've put some glitter in the paint to give it some sort of effect. But this is terrible, is this paint job. Really is. This is the kitchen, and you can't tell this on the camera. It absolutely stinks in here. Can't express how much it stinks in here. So like I said, the tenant did come back, started clearing the rubbish out, and left the American fridge, so I believe she's coming back for that. She did come back with loads of boxes, and like I see, these boxes packed up here for whatever reason, and then she started making excuses why she couldn't come back and refused to hand the keys back in, making excuses. She didn't exactly refuse to. She didn't exactly refuse, it was just a lot of excuses. And she's been given several weeks, 2 months at least, to get her shit together and get it out. But I'm working around all this, and at the end of the day, I can't work around this. I'm not prepared to move all this rubbish now, because it is rat infested, is this house, because of it. They had a rat problem before, and they've got an even bigger one now. So I'm not doing it. So yeah, I had to change the lock at the request of the landlord because she wouldn't give the key back. She only had the key to this side door here, and this is the old lock. Very simple to do if you know how to get a lock out and replace it with a new. So there's a new lock in that door now, so she can't get back in. And like I say, there's just loads of junk everywhere, and she must have like boots because there's loads of boots as well. I managed to fix the electrical consumer unit on, and yeah, just like loads of clothes and stuff lying around. Like I said, boots. I mean, yeah, loads of boots everywhere. I mean, there's even some in here. Be careful that rats don't jump out. There's boots in there. There we go, more boots. I don't know. There you go. So there we see, this is the house that I've been working on. Now I'm starting the bathroom next week, so I might do a diary on that as well. And then I'll be on that for 2 weeks, and then I'll go back to the other jobs. Hopefully, you know, get them sorted out. I'd rather just stay on a job until I've completed it, but on these 2 jobs have just been kind of being hit and miss on both of them, which when you're working by yourself like me, it's very difficult to do, to juggle your time sometimes. So that's what I've been doing. So that's my work diary for this week, and hopefully I'll get one done next week as well. And there you go. So I hope you get something out of this, and you know, if you want to comment, I don't care. You know, these random trolls keep coming around. This is rubbish, that's rubbish, and whatever. And you just think, whatever, mate. You don't make videos yourself. You don't show any of your work, because I'll guarantee you somebody will criticise you, because it's never right, is it? But this house is what it is. Can't do nothing about the budget, can't do nothing about the time scale, and I can't do nothing about the way it is. It's just the way it is with rented property. So yeah, there you go. It's just a quick flip, and that's what it is. Homes under the hammer sort of stuff. So there you go. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in another video soon.